Mastering prompt engineering. Unleashing the power of ChatGPT and language models. Prompt engineering, where we unlock the secrets of maximizing productivity with large language models. I'm thrilled to be your guide through this journey. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imagination meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Course Overview. The course on prompt engineering, a fascinating journey into the intricacies of shaping interactions with AI models. Throughout this course, we'll delve into the core concepts, techniques, and applications of prompt engineering, providing you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the dynamic landscape of human-AI communication. Our exploration begins with the fundamental question: what is prompt engineering, and why does it play a pivotal role in optimizing interactions with AI? We'll unravel the essence of crafting prompts that effectively guide AI models, influencing their responses in desired ways. Understanding the basics is crucial as we build a foundation for more advanced concepts. Moving forward, we'll embark on a comprehensive journey through various AI models, ranging from the fundamentals of cutting-edge technologies. We'll explore the capabilities of large language models like ChatGPT, unravel the mysteries of text-to-image models, and dive into emerging technologies such as text-to-speech and speech-to-text. This diverse exploration will equip you with a holistic understanding of the AI landscape. Understanding prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a dynamic and evolving field that has emerged in response to the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. At its core, prompt engineering involves the strategic crafting and optimization of prompts to shape the behavior of AI models during interactions with users. The goal is to achieve more accurate, relevant, and desirable responses from AI systems. The necessity for prompt engineering arises from the nuanced nature of human-AI communication. As AI models, particularly language models like ChatGPT, become increasingly powerful, understanding how to effectively communicate with them becomes crucial. While AI possesses vast knowledge, it relies on well-crafted prompts to generate contextually appropriate responses. Prompt engineers play a pivotal role in refining these prompts to enhance the overall quality of interactions. The emergence of prompt engineering is intricately linked to the evolution of AI models. As models like ChatGPT continue to advance, the need for skilled prompt engineers becomes more pronounced. The process involves not only creating prompts, but also adapting them over time to align with the evolving capabilities of AI. This iterative approach ensures that the prompts remain effective in guiding AI systems to generate responses that meet user expectations. Before we move on AI basics, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. AI basics. Artificial intelligence or AI is a transformative field that seeks to emulate human intelligence in machines. Unlike sentient beings, current AI systems lack true consciousness, but they excel at simulating intelligent processes. Within the realm of AI, machine learning is a prominent subset that involves training models using extensive datasets to make predictions or perform specific tasks. It is this training process that enables machines to learn patterns and generate intelligent responses. Language models such as ChatGPT are notable applications of AI and machine learning. These models are designed to understand and generate human-like language based on the input they receive. ChatGPT, in particular, is proficient at creating realistic text responses, making it versatile for various applications, including text-based conversations, content creation, and more. The development and advancement of language models represent significant strides in natural language processing or NLP within the field of AI. These models can comprehend context, understand user queries, and generate coherent and contextually relevant text. As we explore prompt engineering and its applications, understanding the foundations of AI, machine learning, and language models is essential for navigating the intricacies of this fascinating and rapidly evolving field. Prompt engineering in action. Prompt engineering is invaluable due to its capacity to tailor AI interactions to specific needs and contexts. Consider the scenario of a language learner seeking to enhance their writing skills. Through meticulous prompt optimization, AI responses can be customized to offer constructive feedback, correct grammar, and facilitate an interactive learning experience. The effectiveness of prompt engineering is rooted in its ability to adapt AI interactions for individualized learning objectives. In educational settings, prompt engineering becomes a powerful tool for creating personalized learning experiences. By refining prompts, educators can guide AI systems to provide targeted support, whether it's in language acquisition, subject-specific queries, or skill development. This customization ensures that AI becomes a dynamic and responsive partner in the learning journey, catering to the unique requirements of each user. Moreover, prompt engineering extends beyond education, impacting various domains where customized AI interactions are beneficial. Whether it's content creation, problem solving, or information retrieval, the ability to fine-tune prompts allows users to extract maximum value from AI systems, making them versatile and adaptable to diverse scenarios. As we delve deeper into prompt engineering, its utility in shaping AI interactions for specific purposes becomes increasingly evident. Language models and linguistics. To master prompt engineering, we need to understand linguistics, the study of language. Linguistics encompasses various aspects like phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, historical linguistics, social linguistics, computational linguistics, and visual linguistics. Why is linguistics key to prompt engineering? Because understanding language nuances and universal structures ensures effective prompts. Language models unveiled. Picture a world where computers comprehend and generate human language seamlessly. Enter language models, digital wizards capable of understanding and creating human-like texts. These models, like ChatGPT, learn from extensive written text collections, becoming experts in conversation, grammar, and style. They analyze sentences, predict outcomes, and craft responses that mimic human language. History of language models. Now, let's journey through the history of language models. In the 1960s, ELIZA, an early AI, simulated conversation, especially in psychotherapy. ELIZA's pattern-matching prowess created an illusion of understanding, paving the way for more advanced systems. Fast forward to the 1970s, where Shudlu showcased an early understanding of simple commands. Course conclusion. Congratulations on completing the video of our prompt engineering course. But the adventure doesn't end here. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.